Transform your bathroom from cluttered chaos to a tranquil retreat with these top 10 organization hacks. Maximize your shower space with an adjustable caddy, perfect for keeping all your bathing essentials tidy and within reach. Keep your drawers clutter-free with organizers. Perfect for separating makeup, skincare, and other toiletries. Use a magnetic strip to store bobby pins, tweezers, and other small metal items neatly out of sight. Wall-mounted dispensers and holders keep your countertops clear and your essentials organized. Install over-the-toilet shelving to utilize vertical space for storing towels and bathroom supplies. Add hooks behind the door for extra hanging space for towels and robes without taking up wall space. Use clear storage bins under the sink to neatly organize and easily find your extra toiletries and cleaning supplies. Install multiple towel racks to dry towels efficiently and keep them handy. A lazy Susan in your cabinet makes accessing everything, even in hard-to-reach spots, a breeze. Label shelves, bins, and drawers to maintain organization and help everyone find what they need quickly. With these simple hacks, your bathroom will stay organized and serene. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more great tips from us. Transform your space and simplify your life.